Hey guys, and welcome back to a new update for Aimogen. And today, as the Aimogen plugin is discounted, check the link from this video description. I will bring you a new update for it and for the remote chatbot embedding feature. As you might know, Aimogen is allowing now to embed its chatbots also on remote websites. However, this was a bit risky until now, because anyone could take the iframe code from the HTML source and add it on their own website, and your chatbot will be displayed then on their website also. However, this update of today fixes this issue, and let me show you this in action. So I have here Aimogen installed on my website, and I have a remote code here. And in the latest update of the plugin, we'll see also a new settings field domain list, which will be allowed to embed chatbots. So this is a list of domains, comma separated list of domains, which will be allowed to use this code to embed your remote chatbot. If you leave this empty, any website can use the code to display the chatbot, and let me show you this in action. So I have here my local testing website, and I will be showing the chatbot to you right now. So here it is. This is the chatbot, and if we click inspect on it, we will see that it is coming from the website from where I enabled the remote chatbot. And now let's say that I want to restrict anyone who wants to steal my code and allow only a single website to use my remote chatbot. So for this, I write the domain name here in the settings field, so http mydomain.com, and save settings. And people who are using the chatbot from unauthorized websites will get this error that refuse to connect. Also, if we want to allow only this website's name is localhost, so add localhost here like this. It's HTTP. If you have an HTTPS website, don't forget to add the S. Also, you might want also to add both variants of your website like this, but yeah, this is your choice. So let's allow connection from HTTP localhost, and if we refresh our site, the chatbot is working again. However, on any other WordPress, on any other websites, not just WordPress websites, the chatbot will not show if the iframe is stolen. So let's change the localhost name now to localhosts, and now the chatbot will stop working once again. Okay, so this is the latest update for Aimogen. You will be able to allow only a specific list of domains to use your remote chatbot, because I really felt that this is a needed update, as yeah, people could have easily stolen your remote chatbot and use your credits, API credits from OpenAI, your tokens, and you could have increased billing usage because of this. Okay, so if you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Aimogen is currently discounted, linked in this video description. It is 40% off. If you have more to say, something, anything, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching until then. Like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. Until next time, bye bye.